The Fireboy CMD5-M carbon monoxide alarm is an essential tool to protect you and your passengers from deadly carbon monoxide, an odorless gas. The CMD5-M comes in a standard 1224 VDC version and an industry-exclusive battery-powered version. CMD5-MB battery-powered CO alarms will not work until activated before use, as stated on the red label on the unit and in the manual. This activation process is essential. Begin by removing the cover and follow the instructions on the red label on the unit. Hold the Test Mute button for 10 seconds until the green LED turns on. Press the Test Mute button 5 times. The green and red LEDs will flash and the horn will sound. The CO alarm is now activated. The green LED will flash every 180 seconds telling you the unit is on guard. The CMD5 unit should be tested once a month by pressing the test button. A beeping sequence will indicate it is working properly. With these steps having been completed, you and your passengers are now protected from the deadly effects of odorless, colorless, tasteless carbon monoxide gas. Learn more at Fireboy-Xintex.com. Fireboy-Xintex. On board, on guard.